Okay, so this is part 2. If the big tree's getting cut down, I'm probably gonna pause it again until this. When this tree starts to fall, I'm probably gonna come back and then show you it falling. So yeah. Okay, I just got warned this tree is about to fall. So I wonder what's gonna happen. I'm slowly backing up because I don't know how far this tree's gonna fall. And this tree used to be a Christmas tree, so it's not falling yet, so I'm gonna pause it. Okay, it's about to fall. It's falling, it's falling. Oh my god. It fell.